in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly make a keto meal plan for an entire week using Corkiby. You can sign up at Corkiby.the.app and get a 3 free week trial, and you can try it out and see if it's a good fit for you. So it's very simple to do. All you have to do is log in for an account, go to the recipe dashboard, and I'll show you what that looks like before we dig into how to use the Foodie Bot. Here's our dashboard, and this has where you can access how to make specific recipes. We also have a rapid recipe generator. That's if you know what you want to make, but you want to make it fast. Say, I want to make chicken Alfredo for 2. It's going to make that recipe for you. But for today's tutorial, I want to show you how to make a meal plan with Foodie Bot. And the cool thing about Foodie Bot is you can ask it drink and food related questions. So we're going to have it create a keto meal plan for us in a very fast way. So we're going to say, make a meal plan, make a keto-friendly meal plan for 3 meals a day for 1 week, or let's say for 7 days. And then click enter, or you can hit this white arrow, and it's going to give us a meal plan for each day. I'm really excited to see what it has. Day 1 is breakfast with scrambled eggs and avocado and spinach. Lunch is a chicken salad with greens, cherry tomatoes, and olive oil dressing. I should probably not get ahead of myself and wait till it's done. We've got baked chicken thighs, chia seed pudding, Greek salads with feta cheese, shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles, chicken Caesar salad, baked cod, avocado, bacon wrapped egg cups. So you don't know how to make any of this? So let's go in. I'm going to pick one that might be a little more challenging. You can actually ask Foodie Bot to create each specific recipe for you. Or we can say, hey, I'm going to copy and paste that. Hey, make recipes for this. And I'm going to paste day 1 in. And we should get an output that has a recipe for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's going to take a minute. And just so you know, Corkiby can be used on mobile, but I prefer to use it on desktop. Okay, so for day 1, it has our breakfast, ingredients and instructions. There's our lunch, ingredients and instructions. And here is our dinner with easy ingredients and instructions. So I'm very excited to share how easy it is to make keto meal plans using Corkiby. And I invite you to sign up for the free 3-week trial, and I'll see you on the inside. And please let us know what you think about Corkiby and the recipes that you've made. And I'll see you in the next video.